Alright, so we're putting lowering springs on my Mark 4 here. We've got these D2 springs. It's supposed to be a 2-inch drop in the front and 1.75 in the rear. So we'll see how it looks. First thing I did was get it jacked up, took all the wheels off, and loosened this bolt here. Volkswagen has a weird design where this just clamps onto the bottom of the strap. So you have to remove this bolt that goes through here. So 18 on one side, 19 on the other. Pull that out, and there's this special tool you can get that you're definitely going to want to do this job. It's a strut spreader. You can just slide it in like this and turn it so it pulls apart this little poly here that pulls the strut. I've come down far enough where it's in the axle here, so I'll have to pull this axle out just a bit. It's way closer. Not quick.
Two hours later.
There. So, I guess just loosen everything. That'll come out a lot easier. Then there's just this one bolt at the top, and we can get it out. And just like that. That comes out. So that wasn't too bad if you just take your time and take everything out. There we go. And this spring was broken, it appears. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time. So this is a repair that I definitely should have done sooner. Alright, so these comes off, these come off like that. You want to keep them in order. There's a bearing there too. You always want to check that and make sure it's not super worn out. So these will go on there, and you'll see that'll seat nicely in the perch race. So this spring was. Whenever you impact these top nuts, you want to you don't really want this to spin that much because you could burn up the seal down here that seals your strut. But these are 10-year-old struts at least, so I'm not that worried. I kind of just wanted to try these out because the spring was broken. If you want to torque stuff, there's a special tool that you're going to need, which is this. This allows you to hold that nut and get an Allen down in there to hold it backwards while you torque it, which I might actually do. But in the meantime, we can do something sketchy and stupid. Pull this one apart in the driveway and shoot these across the yard. So we have a little cage here. This is going to prevent this thing from shooting out and killing somebody. And I'm glad I did that because the impact would have shot somewhere. And you gotta collect all your pieces. This is that bearing. You need that. Still in good shape. guess I could torque them. I also don't have to. And the process is the exact same, but in reverse. It's a lot easier if you do this top bolt first. Otherwise, you're going to sit here like this trying to finagle it in, and then you're never going to get it in. And that's where that bolt goes through, so it's important you get that lined up. There we go. See how it just slid right in place once I did that? There we go. The rear is going to be way easier. I've never tried this before, but we're going to try it. Just do both sides at the same time. So I put enough pressure on it just so the springs are compressed. So when I undo the strut bolt, nothing just shoots out. So now, we're going to slowly lower this. Those springs should essentially just fall right out. And just like that, you're going to have to save the top piece. And you've got a little spot for that spring to sit, so it actually sits there nicely. You always want the progressives part of the spring to be down. So I'm going to slowly go up with these on the bottom, and you're going to have somebody guide that one, and you're going to make sure that this goes up onto that knob there. And make sure that these go in. Now all I got to do is just line up those holes, and the bolts should go right back in. Alright, so the camera died right before we finished it, but that was the last step. But now there's a different problem we're going to solve here now, and it's this. It's not looking too good, especially in the rear. Could definitely use a little better stance going on. So I got these, and I got these early 2000 Mercedes wheels. I got these Pilot Sport 4S's on them. I got them on Marketplace for $250. And they're in pretty good shape, so.